Hey everybody, what's up? Carl Schoof here from Snorkel.tv, and today I just want to thank you for supporting me by watching my videos and for offering to buy me a coffee on Ko-fi.com. I've packaged up 7 of my favorite Animate CC files for you to explore, tweak, and make your own, alright? With your support, I'm able to provide free educational resources for thousands of people who are interested in Animate CC and the digital arts. So let me show you what I got. Alright, so this first file is from one of my most popular videos that got 40,000 views, and it is my soft feathered transparency mask. Now, if you look at it in Animate, you're just going to see this gradient sort of go across the screen, but the magic happens when you export it as a SWF or video, and you're going to see that as the animation plays, that you get this really nice soft bleed from the color to the black and white using that gradient, alright? So there's quite a bit of masking going on here, but it's an awesome effect. Next is my famous rocket cow. You got a cow with a rocket on its back with animated flames. It's all in one movie clip, so you can put as many cows with rocket packs on their backs in your file as you like. This one here is cool. It has my awesome GTI that I drew, and it only has 1 frame in it, and this illustrates the power of nested animations in movie clips. So when you export, you get this really nice fun animation. You have a car with spinning wheels, you have the road going by, and a bunch of clouds in movie clips. So even if this file wasn't animated, I think you'd really appreciate the detail in the car here, alright? So you can explore this car movie clip and see how all the gradients and different features were built. Alright, it's pretty cool. Next, we have this one here where we have this metal effect for text. And as I play forward, you're going to see that there's a little bit of this nice shine that goes across the metal. Now, there's a few subtle things happening in here. We got this really nice subtle gradient on the bottom. We have the shadow on the bottom. You have this sort of raised edge around the sides, and that's done with a movie clip with a bevel. And what's really cool about this is that if you go to the library, you'll see there's only one symbol here called Word. So you can double click on that, and I can edit it out to say something like, I don't know, let's do snorkel. And then you go back to scene 1, and every layer gets updated, and you still have that animation of the shine. So if you want to explore that, there you go. I'm also going to give you this little explosion that I've made, alright? So it's just a symbol that has some orange and yellow circles that are moving out, but you can use it how you see fit. If you double click on it, you'll see that it's actually pretty simple, but I just put a bunch of those on top of the text as it comes in. I also use that explosion in my fun chicken meets bomb, and let's watch what happens. There you go. You got a chicken with no feathers and bugged out eyes. So again, if you like exploring how things are made, you might have fun poking around this file. Next, I'm going to go to Blend Modes Animated. And in this file, when you scrub forward, you're going to notice that there's this really cool sort of colorizing and darkening going on, alright? It's getting sort of brighter in the middle and dark around the edges. Now, if you go to explore this file, it might not be clear what's going on. There's sort of this invisible symbol that you can't really see here. So the secret to this is that this layer has blending set to overlay. And I'm going to set that to normal so you can see that all that's happening is a symbol is fading in that has this yellowish green to black gradient, alright? It's just fading in on top of that car image. But the thing is, if you select that layer and set the blending mode to something else, like we can do lighten right now, and then you'll see you get a totally different effect. This is a great way to experiment with different blending modes. If we go to overlay, which I originally had, you get something a little bit more subtle, yet still cool. And if you want to go crazy, you know, you can do something like difference, all right? And then you get this crazy thing, all right? So it's just a fun thing to fool around with. And again, if you're the type of person who likes to learn by exploring, you got plenty here to keep yourself busy for quite a while. So this file pack is available now to anyone who chooses to support me through a recurring or even just a one-time donation. The reasons people usually donate are because, you know, you've learned something from me and just want to say thanks, or you believe in my mission to provide high-quality learning resources to students interested in animation and the digital arts. With your help, I continue to create these awesome videos that everyone can enjoy. Thanks for the coffee.